Today's video is based on English pronunciation test, and you will be having questions like what is the sound of the letter S in this word, or what is the sound of the letter O in this word, along with options, and I'll tell you the correct answers. I've seen many people ignore the importance of English pronunciation, but it is as important as English reading, listening, or writing. Why do people get confused while pronouncing the English words? The reason is English pronunciation is quite different from the way the words are written. So they are not pronounced quite often the way they are written. That's why people get confused while pronouncing them. That's why it's very important to know about English speech sounds to pronounce any word in English correctly. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anshul, your coach, your guide for correct English pronunciation. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. I hope you all are learning well. You all are taking very good care of yourself. So today's video is about English pronunciation test. You will be having 11 questions based on various questions based on English pronunciation. So you just try to answer them. Doesn't matter, you don't know the answer, but you just try and be honest with your score. And if you want, then you can write your score in the comment box below. Okay, I'll tell you the correct answer along with the questions. Okay, so let's start this video quickly. So the first question is, what is the sound of the letter S in this word? Okay, so it is kids or kids. How to pronounce it correctly? Now let me tell you, the correct answer is kids. So letter S is pronounced as Z, not S. Okay, now the next question, what is the sound of the letter S in this word? Okay, now you have to tell, it is advice or advise. So the letter S has S sound or Z sound. Let me tell you that this advice is a verb. So when it is a verb, the sound is Z. Letter S has Z sound, not S. So this is advise, not advice. Okay, when it is noun, like C is there, then the letter C has S sound, but when it is verb, letter S has Z sound. Okay, now the next question, sound, what is the sound of the letter U in this word? Okay, you have to tell whether it is U or Y. Think about it. Let me tell you the answer, that in this word, the sound of the letter U is Y, not U. Because you know, this is the letter U and it has the sound either U or A. But here we have the sound U. That's why it is U, not U. That's why we use a university, okay, not an university. Why? Because the sound of the letter U is U. It is Y, not U. Okay? That's why I'm telling you it's very important for you to know about English speech sounds to understand the logic behind it. Now, the next question. Which letter is silent in this word? Letter C, H, or D? Okay, how do you pronounce it? Just pronounce it. Okay, sandwich or sandwich. Now I'll tell you the correct answer. In this word, letter D is silent. This is the correct answer. So you say sandwich, not sandwich. Okay, so letter D is silent here. Now the next question. In the word book, vowel sound is, it is long or short? As you see that here we have O. So many students say that it is long vowel, but the correct answer is this is short vowel. So this is book, book, not book. Okay, so this is short vowel sound. Now the next question: which letter is silent in the word this? Okay, letter L or A or Y? You have to think about it. Which letter is silent? Have you got your answer? Now let me tell you the correct answer. Letter A is silent here. So you pronounce it logically, then it's wrong. So how to pronounce it? Logically. Logically. Don't pronounce letter A here. Logically. So letter A is silent here in this word. Now the next question. Correct pronunciation of this word is, you have to think about it, whether this is colleague or colleague. How to pronounce it? Colleague or colleague or colleague? How do you pronounce it? What is the correct pronunciation? The correct answer is, many people pronounce it like colleague, but the correct answer is colleague. Colleague. Okay. So here CO is pronounced as ko, not ko or ku or ku. This is ko, colleague. Now the next question. Correct pronunciation of this word is, it is monk or monk. How to pronounce it? Or monk. How do you pronounce it? Monk, monk or monk? Let me tell you the correct answer is monk. So letter O has a sound here. A. Monk, not monk or monk. Okay. Now the next question. What is the sound of the letter O in this word? It is O or O, like it is tom or tom or long oo, like tomb. Tomb. How to pronounce it? Tom, like I'm asking, sound of the letter O. Okay, so it is tom, tom or tomb. Let me tell you the answer. The correct answer is oo. Letter O has long oo sound, that is tomb, tomb, and letter B is silent. So it is tomb. Okay, and phonetic transcription is like long oo. So this is tomb, not tom or tom. Okay, and letter B is silent. Now the next question. Sound of the letter E in this word is, how to pronounce it? Enjoy. This is E or E. Okay, I am asking sound of the letter E. So it is enjoy, like A or E. That means, what is the sound? A or E? Enjoy or enjoy? How to pronounce it? What is the correct pronunciation? I am asking about only letter E in this word. So A or E? The correct answer is E. So this is enjoy. Enjoy, not enjoy. Okay. Now the next question. Sound of the initial letters EN in this word is, this is entrepreneur, entrepreneur or entrepreneur. How to pronounce it? So letter EN, they have the sound on, and or in. You have to think about it, whether it is entrepreneur. Here, in British English, we do not pronounce letter R in the end. Okay, let's keep it silent. So this is entrepreneur or entrepreneur or entrepreneur. How to pronounce it? Now let's pronounce it all together: entrepreneur, entrepreneur, or entrepreneur. So the correct answer is this is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Okay, not entrepreneur or entrepreneur. So this is the correct pronunciation. I hope you have understood the correct pronunciation of all these words. And if you have had any doubt, or if you think that you were pronouncing any of the words incorrectly, then please tell in the comment box below. And if you want to improve your English pronunciation, then let me tell you that there is my book available on Amazon, that is English Pronunciation and Phonetics, a comprehensive study course. Okay, just go and read it. You will definitely improve your English pronunciation. Thank you for watching. Please press like if you have liked this video, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.